Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Google Form step by step. Whether you are creating a survey, quiz or feedback form, this guide will help you to get started easily. So let's dive in. Step 1. Access Google Forms. First, head over to your browser and go to forms.google.com. Make sure you are signed in into your Google account. If not, just log in using your email and password. Once you are signed in, you will see the Google Form dashboard. You can either start with a blank form or use one of the templates available. Step 2. Starting your form. To keep things simple, let's start with a blank form. Click on the purple plus icon. This will open up a blank Google Form where you can start creating your questions. Here you will notice the default title says Untitled Form. Let's rename it. Click on it and type in the name of your form. For example, Customer Feedback Form. The description box below can use to explain what form is about. Step 3. Editing question. Next, let's add some question. Click on the blank field under Untitled Questions. Type your first questions like what is your name? You can also choose the question type using the drop-down menu on the right. Google Forms offer multiple options including short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down menus. Let's select short answer for these questions. Now let's add another question. Click the plus button on the sidebar to add a new question. For example, how satisfied are you with our service? Select multiple choice and add option like very satisfied, satisfied, and not satisfied. Step 4. Customizing your form. You can also customize the look and feel of your form. Click on the paint petal icon at the top to change the theme color and add a header image. This helps make your form visible, appearing and aligned with your brand or purpose. Step 5. Configuring form settings. Now let's look at the settings. Click on the gear icon at the top right. Here you can collect email addresses, restricted responses to one per person, allow user to edit their responses. Make sure to check these settings based on your needs. Step 6. Preview and share your form. Once your form is ready, you can preview it by clicking the eye icon at the top right. This will show you how it looks on your respondents. To share your form, click the send button. You can email it directly, copy the link and share it, embed it on a website. And that's it. You have successfully created a Google Form. Now you can start collecting responses effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.